My name is Shea Like the Butter. We're gonna be making some delicious vegan empanadas, so stay tuned. I had to do the hair flip, that was so good. Wrap it and cover it, and then put it in the fridge. I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt. Okay, so this dough is actually looking kind of amazing. You can use a bowl, you can use a cup, just basically anything round. Veggies are cooked down, simmered pretty well, and they smell delicious. Mix it all together. Pretty decent amount of filling in it. We want to make them pretty thick. That was a big bite. Can I get some water?